up, YouTube? What is up? It is me, Diamani, back at it again with another video. So y'all probably like, why is there a board behind her? Yeah, we're about to do a DIY. So the DIY for today is goals. It's gonna be a goal board, and I don't do like New Year's resolutions and everything, but I always have a few goals that I want to accomplish, whether it be this year, next year, the following year. I have goals. And yeah, let me just let y'all know what y'all gonna need. So let's get into this video.
Hey guys, just in case you didn't know, I make all natural skincare products, and I just wanted to provide you all with a coupon code of 10% off your next purchase. The YouTube code is in the description box below.
So first off, you're obviously going to need the board. So I got this board from Target for about $2.99, I want to say. I can't see the price, but I think it was like $2.99 for this. You're also going to need some scissors, so you can cut out your goals. Yeah, I already cut out my goals, so you might also need a printer, or you can probably do like magazines or whatever. It's all up to you. Also, you will need a few pens. Color of your choice. I mean, hey, you're going to be writing down your goals on a sheet of paper and everything, so make sure you got that paper. Me, because I'm making a goal board, I'm going to use tacks instead of tape. I got these tacks from Dollar Store, so 120 tacks for $1. It's a steal. I'm also going to do sticky notes, so like, if I like have anything I want to write down for a day or something, just, I don't know, but I got sticky notes. And just because I want to get a little cute and everything, I got some gold. You get it? Gold. Yeah, I'm green. But I got some gold, little metallic stickers, and that's what I'm going to put the word goals in on my board. Yeah. So, let's get into the video, and I'm going to go ahead and write out my goals, and yeah, we're going to get this thing started for y'all.
And everything. Yeah. Got them all written out and everything. So, if you didn't see it in the previous like clip and all that, let me just go ahead and read it out for y'all. So my goals are to improve relationships, not just being like with a lover, but also with family and friends. Another one is to receive 1,000+ subbies on YouTube, you know. So I'm gonna need y'all to start subbing, liking, comment, and sharing these videos so I can get some subbies. Yeah, it's all on y'all. Also manage a 700 credit score. Manage a 4.0, no lower than a 3.5 in school, because I'm in college, so you know, by 2020. I'm also trying to purchase my dream car or cars as my graduation gift to myself. I'm trying to get a apartment. Yeah, I used to have a house, but we ain't gonna speak on that. We just gonna hope for the better, you know. 2016, new year, new me, you know, all that. Also want to pay off my debt, so I do have a car note. I have a few credit cards, stuff like that. I just want to make sure I get that down to the zero. I want to expand my brand, so you know, I know y'all see my brand in the video, so I need y'all to also be helping me out there. I need y'all to like support me and stuff like that, you know. Travel more and everything, so yeah. I mean, I'm tired of staying in one state. Who want to stay in one state, you know? I want to get to know people, you know. I'm trying to save $500 a month. That's a lot for me because I'm a server. And finally, I want to receive my culinary degree. I didn't think this part through, but y'all should probably get a ruler. I ain't got no ruler, and it's like 11, 12 o'clock, so ain't nobody gonna go get no ruler. Alright, so first I want to start with my brand, Tahari Care. That is our logo. And basically, when I say I want to expand my brand, I want to be able to like develop and everything. Like right now my brand it's new, so not many people really like know much about it or anything. But But I make all natural skincare cosmetics. Like, you know what you put on your skin. That's all, right? Like, that's important to me, at least. That's important. So yeah. Something that I didn't post on the that I didn't write, celibacy. So I got it printed off a picture that says celibacy is a beautiful thing, shows patience, self-control, self-respect, and strength. Don't let people make you feel you are doing something bad. So like, to me, celibacy is like everything right now. Like, I don't want to have sex into marriage. So any guy who comes into my life has to respect that, honestly. Like, if they don't respect that, then peace out, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. Next is passport. Cause y'all know I'm about to be traveling. The kid's about to go on trips. Who knows where, but we going somewhere. So I definitely, in order to travel where I want to go, I need a passport, bro. Like, I need a whole passport to get where I want to go. I don't know where I'm trying to go, but I'm trying to go somewhere. Stay focused and study. Stay focused. Stay focused. Study hard. Get a 4.0. You know? Cause I'm trying to graduate top of my class. You know, like top of the class. Hello. Do you hear me? So that is gonna be right here in the middle because that is really important to me. Graduating top of my class. Improving relationships. This is my family, y'all. That's my mom. That's me. That's my new nephew. That's my little brother. That's my niece. That's her mom. That's my uncle. So not everybody's in this picture, but I definitely want to improve relationships with my family. Being as though like a lot has been going on, like I gotta improve things. Like, not just me, also my family. Like, it can't just be you doing one thing on your own. Like, it don't work like that. So that's just a step that I am trying to take. So yeah, I'm gonna try to attempt to improve with that. Y'all see that? 1,000 subbies. That's what I want. 1,000 subbies, right there. So I just photoshopped that one so it can look like I got 1,000 subbies. But that's my goal. I want 1,000 subbies. So y'all gotta help me get 1,000 subbies, right? Yeah, help mommy get 1,000 subbies. 1,000 subbies all 2019. That sound good to me. Save $500 a month. What? Say it again. Save $500 a month. Whew. I'm gonna get this one a red pen, cause look, we gotta be saving you know what? I'm sticking with my color codes, cause that's ugly. Back to yellow. But we gotta be saving $500 a month, sis. Like, come on. We need the money. We need the bag. Okay? Bring in the bag. Also, you know, reducing that debt. So, not reducing the debt. No, bettering my credit score. I don't know who credit score this is, but it's better than my credit score. So, yeah, Credit Karma, whoever credit score this is, tell them they need to give me some pointers, because I'm trying to be on this level of credit, you know. So, better my credit score right there. What else? Now, reduce your debt. Reduce the debt. Like, I can't be in debt my whole life. Like, who trying to die in debt? Not I. Something else I'm thinking on my goal board it's just a quote. It's like, what is this quote about? I guess it's like, I would say it's about relationships, or like not allowing things to hold you back. So this quote says, "You will never be happy if you continue to hold on to things that make you sad." I've been through a lot. A lot of people have been through a lot. We all been through a lot. And honestly, this quote speaks to me. Like, I posted this quote on my social media the other day, and I saved it to my phone because it spoke to me. Like, you can't be happy if you keep allowing things to hold you back. You can't be happy if you continue to allow things to trap your happiness. So I'm just gonna stick this one on there. It's just a motivational quote to me. Like, if I want to be happy, I gotta be happy. I gotta make myself happy. It starts within. And last but not least, my dream car. I have wanted a Mustang. I want a sports car, honestly, and I've wanted one forever. Like, if you know me, then you know, like, my dream car is a sports car. So my gift to myself when I graduate in 2020, hopefully, fingers crossed, 2020, August 20, what is it, August 2020? I think August 2020 or May 2021. I don't know. Either way, I'm getting this car. Not this exact one, but I'm getting a Mustang. And it gotta have green in it because that's my favorite color. So you know I put the green tack in there. And I'm gonna stick this joint. Look, this one, ooh, I don't know what to move because, look, it's going right here. That is, look, my dream car is so, it's important, but it's like, I've been wanting that car, I've been wanting a Mustang forever. Like, if you know me, you know I've been wanting a Mustang for the longest, so I'm getting it. Speaking it into the existence, Diamante Brown will be driving a Mustang. Speaking it into it. As I accomplish these things, I'll definitely be giving y'all updates, and I'll be switching things out on my go board. That's why I use tacks. So if you like this video and you want to see me do another one like it or something like that, then hey, drop the comments in the comments below. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all have any upcoming video ideas for me, drop it down below. I'm trying to hit y'all with at least 2 videos every week, but you know, that's it. So, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. Holla at your girl.